This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tanya Davenport. Toccoa River Frontage with survey site plan completed and approved by the Environmental Health. Expense for water. No worries, seller has you covered on this too. The seller will be installing a well on his additional lot soon and will provide a shared well agreement to Tract 2. Close to town, no restrictions, gated, and on deep, noisy, desirable Toccoa River. Truly hard to find and a must-see. This property needs a buyer ready with their house plans and construction scheduled. For more information, review the details below or contact Tanya Davenport at 706-455-6977.